Hello, this is a demo for the version 0.1 of the Mobile Aids platform. This is the main public view of the platform. The tabs in the top right corner are informative, providing user with information regarding the platform overview and documentation. In the middle section, the user is able to sign up or sign in depending on whether he has an account or not. The sign-in functionality options are either as developer or as Open Government Data Provider. By pressing the button Register Now, the user is redirected in the sign up form where he enters his preferences and sign ups in the platform. By the time the user chooses to sign in as developer, he's being redirected in the sign-in form where he's prompted to enter his credentials, username and password in order to access the platform. As we can see, there are several validation checks performed along with the authentication functionality. When the user finally enters his credentials correctly, then he's being redirected in the developer's dashboard where he's able to manage his applications and get advantage of the platform's features. This is the main developer's dashboard view. From the top right corner, the developer is able to access his account settings and change his password or enable notifications and other functionalities. In the left pane, we can see that the developer is able to access platform key features, services, open data, and frontends, and review his existing applications. As we can see, we have one existing application, or enter a new application by choosing Add Application option. Following the use case scenario that we have been discussing, the developer chooses to add a new application. The application name is Pharmacies for All. As we can see, the new application has been imported successfully. This is the main container configuration view where the developer is able to select among predefined development environments and deploy his own dedicated container for his application. When the developer enters an option, then on the bottom he is able to view information regarding the operating system and the development tools supported by his choice. After having shown how to add a new application, let's review an existing one having a deployed container. As we can see, the system provides us with information regarding the container ID, the image ID, along with the repository details, which is synchronized with the container workspace and hosts the application code. In addition, we have information regarding the container activity. The container is now stopped. We can start it by pressing Start button, and we can see that the container is now running. Every running container is able to expose a web-based application into the outside world through a URL provided by the platform. Here we can see that the application MyEvent.pal is exposed in port 4500. Of course, this will change as every application will be exposed into the outside world by a Mobile Aids URL. Now let's return back into the platform and see that if we stop the container, then the application is no longer reachable. The container is stopped successfully, and now if we type in the URL that we have previously typed in order to reach the application, then we will get the message that the application is unreachable. And this is what actually happens. Thank you very much.